Hi everyone, today I want to do a product review about this. This is a mobility kit for Decathlon. If you live in Singapore, you will know what Decathlon is. For anyone who is not living in Singapore, Decathlon is this market here in Singapore. They sell a lot of home gym or self-rehabs, home exercise equipment. So to talk about this hand mobility kit, so let's dig in. Okay, so first of all, you need to open up the package. Okay, so everything comes inside a pouch. Well, it does have a little bit of instructions in here, which you can follow. So we can go through some of them together today. So let's see what's inside of this. Okay, so once you open, you have a few things inside. So you have a Spiky massage ball. This is very good for forehand muscle self-release, as well as for your neck, your upper back. And if you have conditions such as plantar fasciitis or just sore ankle, bottom of feet soreness, you can also use this underneath your foot as well. Two hand stretch bands. So how to use these? Putting your finger inside of the hand stretching band right here. Okay, so you just kind of try to like open up your hand. So this is really good to kind of strengthen your intrinsic hand muscle. They're quite small, so with this you will make them a little stronger. And there is another way, is you can do a little bit of a hand extension exercise as well, like stretching like that. So you kind of like just pull your hand back. Okay, so this is really good for people who have like carpal tunnel syndromes, or they're typing a lot or using sitting in front of a computer for a long period of times. You can go ahead and use this one. Okay, another one just like the one we just tried. I think this one is a little bit stronger. Okay, so it does the same thing, and you can also do your hand extension exercise with it. Okay, all right, let's see what else they have in here. Last thing inside the pouch, this one is, I believe, is a stress balls, so you can practice your grip. For some patients have decreased grip strength, you can use this one, and also you can kind of practice each finger on it as well. Okay, for post-stroke patients, if you are having a hard time opening the door holding a cup, this one will also help you to strengthening your grip as well. Okay, so or if you're under stress, you can squeeze it to release your stress. Okay, so in here we have the two hand exercise bands. We have a Spike massage ball and the one or stress ball right here. Okay, so the overall for the product, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's very good that they came with some kind of pouch for you to store everything, because we know how we always losing things. And -2 points is just because the design and coloring is a little bit dull, and maybe can be changed. All right, so if you like what you see, please subscribe and follow us for more. I'll see you next time.